Most people get this wrong. They think all online banking apps are the same. But the surprising truth is that Capital One 360 and Chime serve very different types of users. Let's break it down so you know which is better today. Starting with Capital One 360, it's a full-service online bank with checking and savings accounts, high-yield options, and access to physical branches for cash deposits. It also offers competitive interest rates on savings, budgeting tools, and features like early access to paychecks for certain accounts. Capital One is FDIC insured, and the platform is robust for people who want a traditional banking experience without visiting a branch. Chime, on the other hand, is a fintech app designed for simplicity and speed. It offers no-fee checking and savings, early direct deposit, automated savings tools, and fee-free overdraft up to $200 for eligible users. Chime doesn't have physical branches, so depositing cash can be tricky, but the app is perfect for people who want a lightweight, mobile-first experience. One major difference is fees. Capital One 360 has no monthly fees for basic accounts and supports free access to 39,000 ATMs. Chime also has no monthly fees, but cash deposits are limited to partner locations, and international transfers are not supported. The surprising truth is that while Chime feels modern and user-friendly, Capital One 360 offers more banking flexibility and tools, making it better for long-term money management. Chime is ideal if you prioritize convenience and simple banking. In conclusion, choose Capital One 360 if you want a full-featured online bank with savings tools, branch access, and flexibility. Choose Chime if you want a mobile-first, fee-free experience with fast direct deposits and basic financial management. Your choice depends on how you manage money day to day. Subscribe for more comparisons and tips to maximize your online banking experience.